If you're watching this, you are so blessed because this is confirmation that everything you want is right around the corner. Keep going. Don't give up. I know that you're feeling frustrated. I know you've been doing this rigmarole for years and years and years, and you can't go on any further. Well, I want you to know that this is exactly the moment right before you hit a massive breakthrough. Because those who feel like they can't go on anymore are the ones who strike gold right after. And this even happens in childbirth. And it's a testament to everything that we have to go through, the growth, the labor pains, the transition into a whole new lifestyle and a whole different world. All those things take time, effort, and energy. And if it was easy, everyone would do it. But that's what sets you apart. That's what makes you special. You know, even when you're frustrated, you're never going to give up because you see something for yourself that you know you can achieve. And if you could see it in your mind, then it's a possibility. So I want you to know that you're on the right path, to keep following those signs and those synchronicities, because those are confirmations, much like this message is. And if this is resonating, I want you to hit that like button because life is so wondrous and it's so beautiful when you trust the process and you let everything unfold as it should, when it should, without any expectation of an outcome. When you start forcing these things, it takes away the beauty and the wonder and the magic of the whole journey. When you're only focused on controlling the outcome, you lose your spark, you burn out, and you inevitably fail and drop off. So you're going to prevent that by believing that this is going to happen sooner rather than later, and that this is the moment right before a breakthrough. This is when you will feel the most resistant, when you will feel the most tired and fed up, when you have all that doubt, wondering if this is even a possibility for you. That's when you're going to double down. That's when you're going to lock in and you're going to declare, this is who I am and this is who I am going to be, because this is inevitability. This is you evolving into the person who has the thing that you visualize for yourself. This is a vision. So recognize the signs and synchronicities that match that vision, and it'll let you know that you're on the right path. And this is confirmation of that. So put I claim in the message below, because you are going to make this something that you are declaring, that you are knowing. So I want you to put I claim in the comments below and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I want you to know that I believe in you so, so, so much. You could achieve anything you put your heart towards. So I'm sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.